This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull out the safety catch and open the bonnet. The pollen filter housing is located at the left-hand rear corner of the engine compartment. Release the 3 clips. Lift the filter cover slightly. Then unclip the washer jet hose and wiring. Invert the cover and prise the filter element from place. Remove any dirt and debris from the filter housing and cover. Note the arrows on the edge of the filter element, indicating airflow. Press the filter element into the cover. Then manoeuvre the cover into place and secure it with the clips. Clip the washer hose and wiring back into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.